What's your name?
My name is Aarohi.
Aori. Wow, it's a beautiful name.
Not Aarohi. Aarohi. Letter
Aori.
double A. Aarohi.
Aori.
Ruhi. Aarohi.
Aarohi.
Yes.
Aarohi. Yeah?
Yeah.
Aha! Where are you?
Your house is so beautiful.
I don't have a house. I live in an apartment. Apartment.
You don't have house?
No house. It's a very tall building.
I have this building. Look. The humans making like this. Oops. What is that? Like this.
Yes.
You see that?
I see. Your building is taller than my building.
You in 50. You go. Mine.
Yeah, I am on floor number 9. Are you on floor 15?
Number 9.
Okay, it's okay. So, sweetie, where are you from?
I'm from in India. My house is Kolkata.
Oh, okay, let me take a look. I want to see. What city do you live in?
I live India. It's
Yeah?
yellow. It's
Okay.
yellow.
We're gonna look at India. Just give me one moment. Ba-ba-ba-bum. India, where are you? Because I want you to tell me where. So sorry. I don't know. Well, do you know where I am from?
America?
Close, but not America, but close.
Your house there.
I'm not from America. I am from North of America.
You in there?
I'll show you where I am from. Ba-ba-ba-ba. Let's see. I'm not from America. I am from... Let's get started, little one. So we're gonna just have some conversation, okay? So what does this say?
Are you ready for visit a new place? Let's go.
Aha! Is this 4 or 2?
2.
Aha! Let's go! Dun-dun-dun-dun. So where are we going?
Okay, make a guess. What is happening? I need to land. He needs to exercise like this.
Yes, he needs to exercise like this. So where are we going? To Africa? To
I think America.
America. Oh, you think America, I think Mexico. Okay?
Mexico, beautiful place.
I think but in Mexico they speak Spanish. Do you speak?
I don't like Spanish. I like only Bengali and English.
Okay, I see. Well, I speak Spanish, so I like Spanish and I like English. Okay?
Tell me Spanish, how do you talk?
So, for example, you say hello, hola.
Hola.
Yeah, ¿cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás?
That is how are you? Y mi nombre es
Mi nombre es
Amanda. ¿Y tu nombre?
Amenta Tumambe.
So you are Aarohi? Aarohi, right? Aarohi? Aarohi.
Rohi,
Okay.
Rohi, Aarohi.
Aarohi, Perdaan. So you can say
I am riding on the chat box.
Okay. So see, I speak Spanish. Can you say a word in your language too?
One me. Double A. O. H was H. Oops. I. Now see. Okay.
Okay. Yes, Arori. I see your name. Now, can you tell me a word in your language?
Yes. I need to land. But
Okay. No, that's okay, sweetie. Come on. So, what does this say? The balloon?
I am still Bengali.
Well, I wanted a word from your language. For example, I gave you a Spanish word. You can give me a word from you.
Bengali.
Bengali. Yeah. What word? How do you say hello in Bengali?
তো তুমি কেমন আছো in Bengali?
It's too fast. Can you go slow?
তুমি কি করছো?
To me,
কি খাচ্ছো?
Kikachu. I'm
Dear
very.
God, what are you doing? In Bengali তুমি কি করছো?
Oh, that's very cute. Okay. So, sweetie, come on. Let's read this. How
The
big
balloon is small. There is short and tall of room. Sammy is Chacha. He wants to his legs.
Okay. So let's read a little bit. There is not.
Nut.
Aha. So there is not a lot of space. It's like this. It's small, right? Can you say cramped?
Cramped.
Like
Cramped.
this. He's cramped. He can't move. And stretch. Stretch. So Sam cannot stretch. He's too small. Okay? Yeah. Let's go. Uh-oh.
Oh no! There is a hole in the balloon. Can you circle the hole? So many holes, look.
Yes, there are. But these have patches, right?
No,
These are
But
not
I am-
holes.
Yes, these are holes. These are holes.
Wait. These are old holes. But this is a new hole, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Can he fly with the hole in his balloon?
No!
No, he cannot. It's too dangerous.
Sorry.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay, little one, let's go. Go ahead.
If we help people, they might give us or help fix the balloon.
Clues.
Clues.
Yes, like a clue is, for example, it's like a puzzle or a game to help you win, okay?
I am very hot.
Uh-oh. Is it morning or nighttime where you are?
It's nighttime and here is morning.
Me, it's more. What was that?
Is it Pepper Pepper song?
It was funny. All right, what's this, Ken?